Potatoes are rich in vitamin C, potassium, carbohydrates, protein, fiber, vitamin B6, and iron. There are so many ways to serve your potatoes, and let me show you one quick and easy recipe. Wash and slice your potatoes. I'm using Oster air fryer, so I normally use the basket to spread my potatoes. I love using garlic powder and lemon pepper to season my potatoes. And I love using tahini to add some kick to it. It is not that spicy, and this one has lime because I like the sour and spicy taste. Bask with oil, but for me, I use either olive oil or a spray pan. Pop it in the air fryer on 325 for 15 minutes. Shake it. And pop it in for another 3 minutes. Serve it with mayonnaise and banana ketchup. Enjoy while it's still hot and crispy. Preparing food or doing something can sometimes be mundane. That is the reason why I am on my phone all the time. But holding my phone can be obstructive, and that is why it is important that you have your own wireless or Bluetooth earbuds. I'm using Pure Bass Zero cables, Tune WS Bluetooth from JBL. Just like what it says, it has pure bass sounds that makes you hear voices more than the noise. It is voice assistant supported, compatible assistant vocal. This is a true wireless to its sense, with nice comfort fit for its universal fit earbuds. It has hands-free stereo calls with hours of battery life. I normally use it for 5 hours straight and has a 20-hour charging capacity when in the pod. It has 3 light indicators to know if it needs to be charged. It pairs right away with my phones or any gadgets I want to use. Just like any other earbuds, I use this when I'm on phone calls, video calls, watching videos, or just listening to music, either driving or just doing mundane tasks. JBL is one of the most reliable brands when it comes to sounds, so paying for less than $100 compared to iPhone's AirPods for $250 is a no-brainer. Thank you for watching. If you want to know more about my potato snack or this JBL earbud, put in the comment section below. Subscribe if you are new to my channel, like, and hit the notification bell to keep you updated. Once again, this is Scott and you are watching Mr. CMT channel.